Okay, so we have an objective. We have to gather resources for a vital delivery. Okay, we just need steel beams. Okay, I remember what I'm doing. We go to the roadside base. We pull out our good friend with the bed and a crane. You, the Voron. Then we head straight to this place. And we're gonna position ourselves so we block all the things. Maybe even we get them inside of the thing immediately. We need 10 of these. I mean, honestly, that's more than I could have hoped for. Makes my job quite a lot easier. Once again, these steel beams are very, very rusted. But hey, maybe they're supposed to be rusted, who knows. Alright, we just carry these beams over. And it's gonna give us a lot of money, I think, if I remember correctly. And they're gonna give us a lot of star points, so we can then buy more vehicles, which is good. We do need more vehicles, even though we already have a lot of them. Can never have enough. Could always have some more. It's a very easy ride on a road, no less, on a well-maintained road. Thankfully, I have this base. If I did not have this base, well, this road would not have been so nice to me. But I do have this base, so I can use the road. And apparently my company gets an environmental credit for doing this, because we have like contributed a significant amount of resources to the recovery of this world or something. Okay. Do I even have to unload? I would rather not. We just confirm. There you go. Objective completed. I am now level 7. 10,000 bucks, huh?
Good job collecting all those resources. I'm sure they'll all be properly used in construction and not end up in a dump somewhere.
Oh,
Well,
come on.
you've got enough for us to exchange for brand spanking new tower parts. Which is
Yay!
all that matters. All that's left is to send them to HQ in a convoy. Should be easy, right?
The way you're saying that makes it sound like it won't be easy. Delivery to the Eastern Tunnel. Alright, seems like everything's in order and ready to be sent off. Plan a route for the convoy delivery of building materials from the steel beams facility to the Eastern Tunnel. Wait a minute. Oh, over there. Okay, I was like, the tunnel is so far. It's not. So you want me to pull out a route? Why did you start already? I never made a route. What are you doing? Um, Surrounding areas are hissing and crackling subsides. You sense a dormant towers reaching out into the world. The need for connection, so often taken for granted, now returns. All thanks to you. Okay, I guess it just worked somehow. We got a bunch of boats coming in. We have a base near the water. Maybe that was needed. There is like tower parts coming in, and the boats are coming close to the shore. There's no real dock though. I guess the tugboats bringing in barges. Okay.
Now that
I
we
didn't
have the
even
tower
make it.
parts, it's time to put them to good use and get these comms towers going. First one is the western radio tower near Reedwood Bay, famous for its reeds. In wood. I'm sure it's a
Reeds and
charming
wood.
resort. All it needs is a convoy with tower parts from the port. And then make sure the tower is connected to the nearest power station. Next one on the list is the northern radio tower. You know what? It's quite close to the concrete plant, so you'll have no trouble finding it. All you need to do is send over a convoy of tower parts from the transit point. And last but not least, the central radio tower. There's a piece of construction that needs transporting from the transit point to the tower, and that's all 3 towers. Go get him, Tiger.
So now we can repair all 3, although we never even actually did this route. And we can't do this route yet because we need this dang bridge here. But now we have all sorts of new objectives. Repair the northern radio tower. Let's approach this systematically. The next task on our list is the northern radio tower. Create a plan for delivering newly built parts from the transit point in that area. From the transit point to the northern radio tower. Is that going to be easy? Probably not. That seems bad. Well, we can go around it though, I remember doing that. But we need to get all the way up here. Which means probably getting this bridge up and running again. Okay. What else? Commission the central radio tower. It is exciting to see our signal reach new horizons as each tower falls into line. Your next and hopefully one of the last steps is to transport the construction part from the transit point to the central radio tower. We are so close to finishing this thing for good. Central radio tower will be restored. Deliver the vehicle here. Right. Well, we can start with that. The Azov rusty cargo truck. And then restore western radio tower. We already got electricity to it. Let's amplify the signal near Redwood Bay. Tower parts are ready and waiting at the port for your pickup. Your mission: deliver them to the western radio tower and ensure it's linked up to the nearest power station. So linking up is done. Let's do this one first, real quick. Now in infrastructure, we do have the one that we actually had to do before we could start this whole thing, which included building a bridge, which I did not build. But apparently, it just you don't need to build it. I mean, you're this good, you don't need to do anything. Okay, let's see if we can't do this. Because again, they're giving us a trash vehicle with tower parks. All we gotta do is deliver this truck full of parts. But yeah, we need to get our routes set up properly. Because right now they are not properly set up. I don't know how it just completed the thing, but whatever. Now what we need really is a bunch of logs to finish this. Like all sorts of logs. Infrastructure route request completed. What the hell? This tree just fell over. For no reason. I did not even touch it. Anyway, we have a lot of fuel. We'll take it the safe and easy route around here. Maybe this route was not so safe and easy. Oh no. We're moving though, ever so slightly. There you go. Never going there again. That truck is still stuck there, huh? Okay, we're gonna take the inner city route to get out of here. We know there is an inner city route, so we're just gonna use that. This route sucks. Also, we might have to build more bridges. Wooden ones, of course, are the easiest. That's what we'll do. How do we build a wooden bridge? It's time to send out our vehicles to cut down trees again. Turn them into logs. Those logs can then go and build a vehicle. Oh, that's a tree, huh? Didn't realize. Okay, please tell me you can climb up this thing, because if not, then it's gonna be more difficult. You're up. Oh, there's some concrete slabs right there. I guess we could have just built a bridge using those. That would have worked. Oh yeah, people hated this mud also. There are a lot of problems here. I don't think I ever came here. Maybe I should not. Whatever. I'm sure it's fine. Looks like it's good solid road. Oh, we need to get over here. No, we need to get over there. Central radio tower. We need to get over there. Yeah, no, we're right. We're right. Yep, this is the way to go. Try and pick up some speed here. We're going very slowly. I know we're carrying a huge load, but still. Route infrastructure request completed. I don't know what route you're talking about. Is it the route wherein I still have to build a bridge? Because that's crazy if that's getting completed. I'll just say it should not be getting completed. But I guess that's money in the bank. And we can probably buy new vehicles too. For this mission, irrelevant because, you know, they've given us a vehicle already. That's the one we're supposed to drive. Why did he get stuck? Got stuck on nothing. This is a little tricky. Can be tricky. I'm gonna try and make sure at least some of our tires have traction, so they will be able to drag the other ones through. There you go, and then onto this. And there's still mud here. What do you mean you're just stuck? It isn't even that bad of a... There's a little mud, but like... the whole scheme of things, it wasn't that bad. God, you suck, man. Great, now we fell off. This was supposed to be an easy path. You can buy new shit. You can buy a Greenway 470 Cross. Very expensive, but it's very fast. Okay, carry a lot of shit. And it's got a blade, so we can also use it to flatten things. We already have one of these though, so I'm guessing this one is much better. Right, and then we can get the... oh, this is a log grabber loader. You can grab 5 tons of logs in the front. But yeah, so the current one we have, cargo truck with blade. Yeah, very low mobility, but this one is much faster. I see how that is. Right now we need a big crane to get this vehicle out. Baikal, mobile crane. I don't have the money for it. Well, then I guess we're gonna pull out in just an old one. Give me a Baikal. Because our dude is stuck. And it's a big vehicle, so I don't think our small crane is gonna do it. Bro! Dude turns so fast, it doesn't turn back fast enough. It's a real problem. Look at that, it turns so fast. I guess I gotta manually push it back to make it work. I should just be able to send my own truck over, be like, thank you for your shit, but I'll take it from here. And then pick up whatever goods it has, put it onto my own damn truck, and then take it. Because my own trucks are going to be way better than whatever the hell they're giving me. They're giving me trash. They're giving me city trucks. Say in the city. This is the wilderness, bro. Okay. I'll show you how a professional does it. Yikes, this is a pretty muddy area. But let's hope the crane doesn't get stuck, because otherwise I'm screwed. A big freaking hole here. Yeah, screw this place. Can I just say that? It freaking sucks, bro. Who the hell ever thought of setting up here? Yeah, well, you don't have to like it. Just okay. Stop hitting the parking brake, late bro. Come on. No, it immediately it's like handbrake on. No, I don't want the handbrake to be on. Okay, one more should do it. Holy shit, we're off. Okay. You can make this, right? This is not that bad. At the front we sanded ourselves, so that should just be fine. What do you mean your tires are sinking? Shut up. Just drive. Holy. What the hell are you talking about, bro? This vehicle is a piece of garbage. What's the point of having a vehicle that just cannot even do anything without a freaking crane to help it out every 10 seconds? Like, yeah, the land is muddy. Why do you think I have special vehicles? It's nice we can just freaking lift it up. And be like, you stay there now. Okay. Now please tell me you can traverse the sand. I placed and did this sand. You got trash, bro. They destroy. They're spoiling the road too. Who made these vehicles? Do they know how the real world works? I don't think so. But this is a real piece of shit. This is a real life piece of garbage. Drives well enough on the road, but anything which is not a road, it's like, sorry, no can do. Just come on, man. Don't tell me you can't climb this freaking this incline. I'll be so mad. Oh, you're able to do it until now at least. That's good. Last little bit. Come on. Don't make me send up the crane again. Done. Central radio tower is ready. Gets pulled down. The tower plugs into the network. Its lights flickering to life. A testament to perseverance and something else. I don't know what. Alright. Retain the Baikal. Retain the Voron as well. I don't even know where the hell the Voron is. Oh. Wow, look at that. I did get everything. To the northern radio. Now, to get to the northern radio tower, either we go through this place, which is most definitely all my shit is gonna get stuck in, or very simply, you build a bridge. Or you just build a bridge. Don't we do have a base there. Okay. You know what? 4 logs. Let's make a bridge. Get my tree cutter and other things that I have. Tree cutter. Here you are. Tree cutter. Now we need 3 logs. 4 logs? 4 logs, I think. But, thankfully, plenty of dang trees here. What about this tree? It's fallen down. Can we not saw it already? No? Okay. We need fresh, uncut trees. None of these are good enough for you? You guys are probably good enough. Okay, I'll just be grabbing that. Okay, process it on the road. Got another one. Okay. How many do we need? 4. Okay, 2 more. Okay, you will do apparently. That's 3. What about you, big guy? You seem good enough. Alright, there you go. You give your life to become a bridge. Not giving you much option though. Alright. Beautiful. Pull it back. We'll send our truck which carries these to take him. Then we shall build the bridge. Don't turn very easily. That's fine. So, okay, I was only able to grab one. Bloody hell. Bro, what do you mean? There you go. Finally. Oh, bloody hell. Alright, last one. Man, why is it so difficult this time? I don't get it. Usually this getting logs was like, I mean, it was not easy, but it wasn't excruciatingly hard like it is now. Like, you're seeing this shit? It is sliding off. You know what the freaking problem is? It's this freaking first log I put in that's sideways. You grip slipped. Well, then how the hell am I supposed to grab this then? Oh my god, just raise it, raise it! Bro, raise it. Problem is I'm also messing up my freaking buttons. Well, a little bit it's cute. But then after a while it just becomes annoying. And I have gone squarely in the annoying area now. And all this with this freaking upside down turned shit. Freaking strap it up. Don't even care. What do you mean you slipped, bro? It was on it. Just grab the damn thing. It's not that hard. Took me an insane amount of time to just get 4 logs that were already cut. And I placed them on the road. I think the problem was the road is a slope. It just doesn't know what to do when I'm trying to grab it. And it's on a slope. It just spasms out everywhere. Whatever, man. I have 4 cut logs. They were cut a while back. Okay, well, let's test out the road that leads to the bridge. This is the road that will lead to the bridge in the future. Now I have to do this again, by the way. Maybe. I'm not sure. I think I do though. Maybe not. Maybe this was the one I had to do it for. I don't remember. Whatever. In future maps though, I will have to do this again. Can you like turn better? You're so bad. It is such a big turn, man. All you have to do is just turn. It's not that bad. It's not that difficult of a thing to do. This road is fine. Perhaps, I don't know. Cannot be sure, I guess, but seems like it's okay. Okay. Now we have a bridge. Now that I have a vehicle here, I might as well take a look at the road ahead. Wooden wide bridge is ready. Yep, we do what I do. We go through the side here. Yep, and that's all road. Okay. Pull it back. Infrastructure, route. Start plotting the route. Okay, and this should be an easy peasy route to have. Okay. Done. Done. We're gonna go through the woods a little bit and... Wait, isn't this where we're going? Oh, it's not where we're going. Sorry, my bad. I thought we were going to the tunnel. That's not true. I would recommend going even a little further away from those fallen trees. Might have to send a mulcher up there, we'll see. Shouldn't have to do that, but who knows. Anyway, we have our stuff at the transit point. We were able to make that bridge because there was the only other way is through this side. I didn't want to go there. Seemed like a terrible thing for me. So how many of these trucks are headed out now? Each truck gives 802,000. There's 3. Each one carrying parts for the radio tower. Are we done? Once it becomes green, okay, this is the last one. We expected the final one. Because if any one of the earlier ones will have an issue, the last one will see it. Okay, every one of them has to get stuck a little for a second on the pole. It is tradition. Ah. I see. Apparently, this road won't do. It's muck. Well, great. The road ahead seems a little better. I don't get it. It was not a good road. Nobody's gonna nobody's gonna say it was a good road. It was not. Wasn't that bad though. I didn't think. Oh, what the hell, man? No, what that? Yes, I wish there were not three. You know, because they just collide into each other. They really mess up all my. What are you doing? Okay, you're going in there. But you're gonna spoil this route as well, aren't you? Like right now, it's not bad. The one behind is gonna follow. It's gonna make it even deeper. Let him do it by himself. Okay, no. See, it's getting all destroyed. Just make it, man. Just make it. Break everything. Make your way. There you go. All good. The guys back there, they're struggling. But they'll do something. I don't want to have to bring a truck and then sand this entire route. I could do that. I don't want to do that because that's a lot of work. That is a hell of a lot of work. Okay, this area seems to be holding its own though, so that's good. And look at that. We were able to get full speed ahead. I just want to see if there's anything ahead. That's also a problem. I traveled this place with no problems. Yep, okay, no, it didn't work. Stupid freaking trucks, man. So stupid. Alright. Guess I'm going to have to do more work just to set up that route, which I should not have to. Seems like an extremely simple thing to do, but those trucks can't even handle that. So what are you gonna do, right? They can't drive on this route. They get stuck all the time because it's a little bit of mud. Not even a lot of mud. It's a very little bit of mud. Well, thankfully we can just refill sand whenever I want to. Okay. Why can't I refill the sand? I gotta go a little higher up there to refill sand. Alright, I'll do it. Only like one or two more loads of sand to spread out across this entire area. We're gonna need more. How many trucks full of sand is gonna need to freaking make this little road? H is honk. Did not realize that. Okay, we're gonna drive on the sand, very risky. Another load. Well, there's an achievement for pouring a lot of sand. I think I'm gonna get that soon. Well, shit, now I gotta go back and get more sand, because I'm not done yet. I wanna make a big pile over here. Sand, man, it's a basic thing. You always need sand. You can never have too much sand. Alright. Put a ton of sand over there. Now we have a vehicle. It's a big, strong vehicle. Okay. Do some more sand flattening. And one final one, just for good measure. Knock down all these trees here, just so they know what's up. Okay. Now, this route is going to go right through the sand. It's compacted sand, so should be a-okay. Spent a lot of time making this road for you, so be grateful. Okay? This is very good sand, high quality. There you go. See how easily you can just roll straight through it? And with increased speed, maybe you will even do better over here. Okay, not likely. Perhaps you could put more sand. Sand this route as well. The trucks behind are making it though. Okay, a little difficult to roll my tires there, but once we do it, it's doing pretty well. It's doing okay. Just gotta get to the bridge. Once we have reached the bridge, should be an easier, much easier time. Okay, a little bit of a slope, but that's good. It's all called compacted sand, so we can do it. Okay. It's taken a little bit of force to push through this, which is kind of weird because there's nothing there. It's just a little, I guess, a little wet sand. It's causing problems, but we have made it. We shall now cross the bridge, and from now it should be smooth sailing. Maybe. I mean, there's more sand on the other side. Where are my other trucks? Bro. We'll see where they are soon, I hope. This one's kind of making it though. This is all stony, gravelly type terrain, which is good. And we don't go into the middle because that's all sand. We're going through the grass. And then we get stuck. Ah, the trucks are making it. That's good. Give me a second. Okay, so we can't go through that because there's a ditch there. Just need to adjust you. We'll try it now. Can you be a little faster? Thank you. Going very slow. But you're trying to avoid that big ditch over there. Oh yeah, okay, it worked. And now we're back onto stones, and this is proper asphalt, so it should allow us to pick up some good speed now. Because this is real road. Now that's real road, but with mud on top. Should also still be fine. Now we're heading to the tower. Once we're at the tower should be reconstructed, and it should all be good. Okay. Keep it going. It's a little bit of a climb. Okay, all three are coming through, no problems. We're destroying everything in our path, so that's also good. should make for the the ones who are traveling behind, make it a little easier. Right, the fallen down trees. I was thinking if I had to send a mulcher or not. I don't think I do. I feel we have avoided them rather well. There you go. Nice and easy. Keep those tires rolling. There's a pole there. There's a pole. I didn't know there was a pole. How is a man supposed to know there was a pole there? Don't cancel the whole thing. Let it fail. We just need to turn it around the pole. I didn't know there was a pole. How am I supposed to know there was a pole? Maybe they can bash it down. 3 trucks force. No. No, it's stuck on the pole. And try it again. All together now. Nothing. When will it be considered as a failure? Right there. Okay. Okay. So, no, that's right. You gotta go a little like that, and that should make sure that it is good. It's a pole, man. What are you gonna do? We are touching the tree a little bit now. That's okay. We'll smash through it, and very nicely and easily we'll make it around the pole, and then into this place. Oh, okay. We're gonna break that sign there. That's okay though. Oh, we're gonna hit that pole too. Bro, how am I supposed to know there's a pole? Okay. I didn't know there was a pole there. Don't think there was a way to know. Okay, thankfully they become invisible or intangible once they get close enough. Then it's just adjustment and getting in there. Boom. Repair the northern radio tower. It's done. With each bolt tightened and every wire connected, the tower stands tall once more. Alright, we have more vehicles getting out there. New vehicles unlocked. Oh yeah, because we leveled up again. Where is it? What do you mean? What do you mean unlocked? I don't have it. It's DLC vehicle. Oh, and we got another thing for the cron wrecker. The log grabber, log forwarder. Is that what we got? Don't we already have one of these? What do you mean it failed? Shut up with that. Can't fail here. Piece of shit. In any case, we already have a log forwarder vehicle, so that should be fine. Our final objective is to restore the western radio tower, which is, I believe, is also just take something and move it. We've broken through the static. Time to connect to the outer world. Get all of the radio communication towers, whatever, online. So it fell over, I think, over here. Yeah, that's right. You just gotta drive through it. It's not that hard. I know it's a little bit of sand. You just drive through it, you'll be fine. Bring objects. There's 2 objects here. They gotta be brought there. Okay. Now this bridge does not exist. Would make life easier. You know what? This bridge exists. So there is that. We're gonna retain the road building vehicles. We're gonna send out a Voron from the Highland base. And you're just gonna go boom 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 to the port. Okay. This is a garage. You know what a garage does? Everybody knows. Alright. So we're gonna take a slightly longer route than what is recommended or should be needed or whatever. So we should be able to traverse this with differential lock and all-wheel drive on. And if it is needed, I'll even put on low gear. I think this was a dumb idea. Even though this is a good vehicle, I think it would have been 10 times more sensible to just go around. We don't need the shortcut. You can barely see those stumps, man. Also, you don't have a mulcher. Alright, get me out of here. This is real MudRunner style roads. But this is not MudRunner or SnowRunner. This is none of those games. This is, what do you call it? This is Road Builder, RoadCraft. That's what this is. It's more about building infrastructure. And roads, I suppose. Oh, what the hell? They did do what I was telling them to do. I told them that you should just basically just give me the pieces and let me carry them. And that's what they did. That's what they did right here. Okay, 2 trips. Yeah, 2 trips. Oh, parking brake is on. I was like, why is this so slow? This is so heavy. It's not that heavy, it's just parking brake was on. Okay, it's kind of like a long ass route. But we'll do it. I thought maybe I could pick up 2 at a time, but no. It's not sensible to do that. There you go. I know we can take a shortcut, but it was hard enough with no load. With this giant thing on my back, I don't think it's at all sensible. But at least it's not a convoy. Honestly, I prefer this to a convoy, because in a convoy I would have to go and build a road, remove all this shit on the roads. You would have really trashy vehicles, and then you gotta do all sorts of preparation for that. In this case, and I know I'm the one driving, so I can just be like, whatever, man. Don't matter to me. I'll navigate around this thing, no problems. Now, I don't know which way to go though. Up this way. And while I'm doing this, my infrastructure thing is also running at the same time, so which way? I'm getting all turned around. How do I get up? Oh, okay, there's, yeah, I know. I saw it. But we even went up there before and we were like, what's going on here? And there's nothing. I guess I'll come back here later. And later is now. And now is later. Oh, I remember this place. Remember? We had to find a way to push around all of these things. Yeah. That was the time. Okay, and we have built a road here, I believe, right? So this should be nice and easy traversal here. And then over this way. Then I believe this is the route that goes up. Not a very nice or easy route, but it works. This will get us our last radio tower piece will be in place. Okay, that's one. Don't know how you're going to use this to build that thing though. Seems like it would not be very easy. But what do I know? I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy with a big ass truck. That's all I am. With a fleet of big ass trucks. That makes it a little easier to handle stuff. One big ass truck, it's hard to deal with stuff. Got tons of them, you know, a little easier. Alright, we'll go bring the second piece over, connect all 3 radio towers, and boom. This place is very nice. Very, very well done. I don't know why they need 3 radio towers and not just one. Because, you know, I'm pretty sure one radio tower can transmit stuff. You don't really need 3, but whatever, they need 3. Maybe they want 3. They like having 3. Who am I to judge? Hey man, as long as you're paying me for 3, I'll make 3. Alright, to the port city. Yeah, this place is all messed up, huh? Alright, piece number 2. God damn it. Well, if it works, it works. Alright. Holy shit, what the hell is up with this? Okay, don't go into the little hole there. It wants to eat ya. That's no good. We don't want to be eaten. Deepest freaking mud I've ever seen in my life. Okay, just check the map. Let's take this piece over to its rightful location. Then we can rebuild the antenna. We can get, 1 gigabit net internet connection with 3 antennas combined. Maybe they need it for triangulation of positions in the area. It's possible. Maybe you want to send airstrikes in here or something. You need 3 reference points to get the exact location of where to send your Hellfire missiles. I don't know. Oh, we're not building 3 by the way. We're making 4. We already made 1 before even we started these 3 missions to get the 3 towers up. So yeah, we made 4 towers, not 3. That's crazy. Anyway, we're gonna build a bridge right there. Gonna make life a lot easier for sure, but then making the bridge itself is hard. And for 2 packages, yeah, not very interested. Is the route done now? Yep, okay, good. $41,000 is good. Allow us to buy at least 1 vehicle. I think, yeah, only 1 probably. But a good one, hopefully. So, maybe like a cable layer or something. Something that is very slow. That I can make faster by buying mine own. There we go. Done. The tower rises. Its antennas are aligned to amplify the network's reach. It's done. All towers are ready. Reconnect is completed. Goal complete. Reconnect. Please
All 3
hold.
towers
Restore
back
region
in action.
communications.
You did good today. Real good. Tonight, I'll raise my mug of cocoa to you.
Done. All goals completed. This is the kind of work first responders do, day in, day out. In the face of danger, it's not about finding a way out by yourself. It's about making sure we all make it through together. I shall return to the hub. You have completed all the main objectives. New maps are now available in the map selection. You can return to hub or to select a newly unlocked map or still finish side activities. I have done all side activities also. It's kind of what I do. We do it all. Yep, 100% and tick mark. So these are still locked. I see. So we need to complete both of these. We need to complete Incommunicado and Sunken. I like that. Following a recent earthquake, the river has flooded a massive mine spanning most of the region, leading to its partial collapse that has affected the surrounding area. You've been tasked with recovering extensive drilling equipment from the mines as well as pumping the water out from the cave system to help with future recovery efforts. Alright, we'll do that next time. That'll be fun.